Hello everyone, today we are going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can check out from there. So, let's start with the review. It's a user experience design fundamental course by Koenig, Step Forward, and it's a 4.7 rating on Google, which is actually good. And these are the training program, like duration is 24 hours, and the fees of this course is 25,000, which is justified, not too much, not very less. And if we go down, this is the information, and this is the overview about the UI UX, what they are going to teach. And these are the career opportunities after completion of course, and these are the objective and outcomes. And nothing else, like no proper detailing about the UI fundamentals, user research fundamentals, any course detailing, any tools detailing they are going to teach. It is not a future oriented course specifically, or it below average course, like on I will not recommend this course because they didn't mention any proper detailing about the tools and softwares. So if we give a rating according to these parameters, so depth and structure is again 0.5 for me, and user research fundamental is 0.5 for me, and UI design quality is 0, hand-on project is not there, so it's 0, tools and software training is again 0, mentorship and feedback is there, so it's a 0.5 for me, portfolio development is there on a little basis, so it's again 0.5 for me, placement and career support is there, so it's a 1 for me. Course values and fees is justified according to the course, so it's a 0.5 for me, and industry relevance update is also 0.5 for me. So if we count on a total basis, so it's a 4 out of 10, and it's a below average course. I will not recommend this course, as again there are many better courses in the market which covers all the parameters related to UI UX and covers all the fundamentals related to design quality, related to user research. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which covers all the parameters related to UI UX, fundamentals, design quality, mentorship and feedback, and also help you in placement and career support after completion of course. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. Thank you.